Do you love the holidays? One of our favorite times of year at Universal Orlando is the holiday season. Universal Studios has the Macy's Holiday Parade, and Seuss Landing has tons of Christmas lights. And of course, the Grinch. It is such a magical time of year. Universal Orlando recently announced the holidays for 2021. It is going to be an exciting year. I think we are most excited about the return of the Macy's Holiday Parade. Our family got to experience the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in New York City a few years ago. It was a lot of fun, but we still love the Macy's Holiday Parade at Universal Studios better. It is warmer, and you can enjoy hot butterbeer while watching the parade. You can only do that at Universal Studios. The Macy's Holiday Parade features some of our favorite characters, parade floats, and over 30 larger-than-life balloons, like the Minions and Shrek. You will also see Santa Claus and his reindeer at the end of the parade. We are excited another holiday tradition is back at Universal Orlando. This holiday tradition is the Magic of Christmas at Hogwarts Castle Evening Show. This beautiful projection show features holiday moments from the Harry Potter films. You can see this show at Hogsmeade at the Islands of Adventure. See the Maven of Mischief himself during Grinchmas at Universal Orlando. You can enjoy Grinchmas Hula Day Spectacular. This show is a hilarious live retelling of Dr. Seuss's holiday classic, How the Grinch Stole Christmas. You will see your favorite characters, including the Grinch and the Who's from Whoville. In addition to these spectacular experiences, there are even more holiday festivities in store around every corner. Universal Orlando will feature delicious treats and drinks for the holiday season, besides the classic hot butterbeer. Another favorite is back at Universal Orlando. This is the huge Christmas tree at Universal Studios with a surprise guest, Earl the Squirrel. As Santa passes the Christmas tree during the Macy's Holiday Parade, he will light the tree. You can then enjoy the tree and lights all evening long. Be sure you walk by the Christmas tree to get pictures with the family. Plus, hunt for the animatronic character called Earl the Squirrel. He moves every year. Can you find him this year? We love all of the Christmas decorations and lights throughout the Universal Parks and Universal Orlando resorts. One of our favorite spots is Seuss Landing at Islands of Adventure. It is so beautiful at night with all of the lights and colors. There will be 51 days of holidays at Universal Orlando. The event starts November 13th and runs through January 2nd. The best news is holidays at Universal Orlando are free with your paid admission to the parks. Hope you guys got some value out of the video. Keep on dreaming.
Love you all.
Love you all.